Travis County's district attorney took the stand in the trial to remove her from office today. Rosemary Lehmberg talked about her history with alcohol as well as how much she had to drink the night she was caught driving drunk. Chris Sadeghi has details on today's testimony.
Lehmberg said that she would usually have 2 or 3 drinks after work on most days, including weekends. And then a doctor who assessed her while she was in jail said she had an alcohol dependence. She remembered this night where she was restrained and confrontational with deputies and called it totally inappropriate. That night she said she drank vodka at home, went to a movie at the Alamo Draft House where she drank some wine, then stopped on the way back home to buy a bottle of vodka and drank some while sitting in her car in a parking lot. As she continued home, she realized she shouldn't be driving, so that's when she pulled over in the church parking lot where deputies found her. But this trial focuses on whether a dependence on alcohol affects her ability to do her job. An addiction specialist who diagnosed her as dependent went on to say that that doesn't suddenly make you incompetent when you get a DWI.
In the course of all this time, I've not heard anyone complain about her ability to practice or do her job, nor should there be any reason why she should be prevented from doing that.
And that's ultimately what this trial will hinge on. Can she continue to be DA without hurting the public interest? Her attorneys say that she's continued her treatment plan even after attending that treatment facility in Arizona. We're at the Travis County Justice Complex. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.
Remember, this trial will not result in criminal penalties against Lehmberg. That's already happened. This all stems from the district attorney's DWI arrest back on April 13th. This video showed Lehmberg's behavior both during the arrest and at the jail. She pleaded guilty a few days after the arrest. She served half of her 45-day jail sentence under good behavior rules. Just a month after her release, Governor Rick Perry vetoed state funding for the Public Integrity Unit. That's the group that prosecutes public corruption that Lehmberg runs. An ethics complaint arguing Perry abused his power by doing so is still pending.